In Python, a variable is a named reference to a value stored in the computer's memory. It allows you to store and manipulate data during the execution of a program. Python is a dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. The type of a variable is inferred based on the assigned value, and it can be changed by assigning a new value of a different type. Here are some commonly used variable types in Python. Integer, int. It represents whole numbers without decimal points, such as 5, minus, 10, or 0. Float, it represents floating point numbers with decimal points, such as 3.14, minus 2.5, or 0.0. String, str. It represents a sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes, such as hello, Python, or 123. Boolean, bool. It represents a Boolean value, which can be either true or false. Booleans are used for logical operations and conditional statements. List, it represents an ordered collection of elements enclosed in square brackets. A list can contain elements of different types and can be modified, mutable. Tuple, it represents an ordered collection of elements enclosed in parentheses. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed once defined. Dictionary, dict. It represents a collection of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Each key-value pair in a dictionary is separated by a colon, smiley face, and keys must be unique. Set, it represents an unordered collection of unique elements enclosed in curly braces. Sets are used for mathematical operations like union, intersection, etc. These are just a few of the variable types available in Python. Python also offers additional built-in types and allows you to define custom types using classes.